Hey, it's Nettie. I'm back again, and I got a little mission. I'm sitting at the McDonald's drive-thru, so I'm gonna try something. Watch. I'm not gonna expose anybody though. So.
Yeah, try birthday control.
Watch this thing. I gotta get ready. I ain't open it yet. I'm gonna be like, watch. I'm gonna burp a couple times, then I'm gonna give him the money. You told me it's a prank. We're waiting, y'all. He's got us waiting. Excuse me. That was embarrassing. Ooh, something's going on. How can you do it? What is going on with me today?
It's a prank!
Here, how much is the change? He ain't paying us no eye. Hey! I had to change so you could give me dollars. You moving too fast. We was doing a prank video for our YouTube, but we ain't exposed you. Alright. This is Daddy's manager though. Oh, excuse me. Got gas today for some reason.
Good night.
That was a prank!
Get this.
It's a prank!
He laughed, he goes. He can come back.
It's a prank! You're rude.
Alright guys, that was just something short and funny that me and Dino wanted to try out. I'm gonna try a better one later. Anyway, I'll get back with y'all.